Now we will solve exponential equation where at the left hand side the base is a full number and the power is either plus or minus x, but on the right hand side there will be a fraction value. So let us do these two examples. In the first example, 2 to the power x equals 3 divided by 24. So now 2 to the power x equals 3 and 24. If we cancel, then we will get here 1 and 8, because 24 is 3 times 8. So this 3 and 3 will cancel. 24 is 3 times 8. So 3 and 3 will cancel. This 8 will remain. So we are getting on the right hand side 1 divided by 8. Now 2 to the power x. So here the base is 2. So we need to convert this 8 as the base of 2. That means 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2. That means we can write it 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. So it is 2 to the power 3. Here the base is 2 to the power x, but on the right hand side it is 1 upon 2 to the power 3. So we can use it if we take this formula that x to the power minus n equals 1 divided by x to the power n. That means if we take a positive power from denominator to numerator, this power becomes negative. So 2 to the power 3 can be written as 2 to the power minus 3. Therefore, here base is 2, both sides, power is x and minus 3, and they are equal. That means these two powers are equal. So we got x equals minus 3. Now in the second example, we got 3 to the power minus x equals 6 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 3. Now we need to calculate these fraction values so that we can convert this whole thing into base 3. So how we can bring base 3 here? 6 equals 2 times 3. That means 6 to the power cube will be 2 times 3 to the power 3 division 2 to the power 3. So now 2 times 3 to the power 3, this power 3 is on both 2 and 3, because if we distribute that power using this formula, that x times y to the power n equals actually x to the power n times y to the power n. So if we distribute this 3 power on 2 and 3, we will get 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 3 division 2 to the power 3. So we can cancel this 2 to the power 3 or 2 to the power 3 from both numerator and denominator. So we are getting 3 to the power minus x equals 3 to the power 3 here. So these two bases are 3. So we will get minus x equals 3. This power minus x and this power 3 will be same. So therefore x equals minus 3. Here we will solve exponential equation where the left hand side base is a fraction and the power is either plus x or minus x, and the right hand side value is also fraction. So let us do these two examples. In the first example, left hand side base is 2 division 5, that is 2 divided 5 to the power x equals 25 by 4. So we need to convert this 25 by 4 into 2 by 5. So first thing we will do is 2 to the power 5 to the power x. We will divide, or we will represent these big values, large values, into exponential form. So 25 is 5 times 5, that means 5 square. 4 is 2 times 2, that is 2 square. So we are getting 5 square division 2 square. 25 is 5 square, 4 is 2 square. So now left side will remain as it is, 2 by 5 to the power x equals 5 square 2 square. We know that x division y to the power n equals x to the power n and y to the power n. That means x to the power n, y to the power n. If two different base x and y got same power, then instead of writing these two powers separately, we can combine them, x and y, as the division fraction, and then combine them into a single power. So 5 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2. So we can combine these two power and can write as 5 division 2 as a fraction and then to the power 2. Now in the left hand side the base is 2 by 5, but on the right hand side the base is 5 by 2. We also know that x divided y to the power n equals y divided x to the power minus n. That means if we change the sign of the power from positive to negative, then the fraction within the base, at the base, change their numerator and denominator. That means if we have a negative power y and the fraction at the base is y by x, we can make it into positive power by writing, just swapping the denominator and numerator x by y. Or alternatively, if we have a positive base x by y, we can change into the positive power and the base is x by y. Then we can change that positive power into negative power by swapping the denominator and numerator. So we have 2 by 5 and here we have 5 by 2. So what we will do is, we will keep this 2 by 5 base as it is and we will swap this 2 by 5 and 2. So that means what will happen, this 2 will go upstairs and 5 will come down. So it will be 2 by 5 and this power we will make it negative. That means when we change a fraction's denominator and numerator, swap the denominator and numerator, the powers goes, the sign of the power goes negative. That is, positive power goes negative and negative power goes positive. So now here both the base are 2 to the 5, 2 divided by 5. So 2 divided by 5 to the power x equals 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 2. So same base and their value is equal. So these two power must be equal. So we can write x equals minus 2. Let us do another example here. Here the left side is 2 division 3 whole to the power minus x equals, right side is 12 to the power 3 division 2 times 54 square. So first we will divide this 12 and 54 in their prime factors. So 12 means 2 times 2 times 3, 4 times 3 is 12. So we can write it 2 square times 3. And 54, if we divide it, 54, if we divide by 2, it will be 27, then 3, 9, 3, 3. So 54 can be written as 2 times 3 to the power 3. So if we replace them, we will be getting 2 division 3 whole to the power minus x equals 12. 12 means 2 square times 3. So 2 square times 3 to the power 3. 12 is 2 square times 3 and there is a power 3 on 12. Division 2 times 54. 54 means 2 times 3 square, 3 to the power 3. 2 times 3 to the power 3 and there is power 2 on 54. So this part is 54 and then the power 2. Okay, now 2 division 3, we will keep the left side as it is. Now we will simplify it. So 2 to the power 2 to the power 3. So power on power, these two power will multiply. So we will get 2 to the power 6 times 3 to the power 3. Division here 2 times 2 to the power 2 times 3 to the power 3 to the power 3. So we will get 3 to the power and power multiply. So we will get 3 to the power 6. Now left hand side we will keep as it is, equals, so 2 division 3. So if we take all these two together, so that means 2 to the power 6 division 2 to the power 1 division 2 to the power 2. So it will be 2 to the power 6, this power will be minus, this power will be minus, times 3 to the power 3 division 3 to the power 6. So if we bring it down 3 to the power 3, this power here, so we can write this positive power after bringing denominator to be negative, so it will be 6 minus 3. So that will be 2 to the power here 6 minus 1 minus 2, it will be 3, division here 3 to the power 6 minus 3, it will be 3 to the power 3. So now we can write 2 division 3 whole to the power minus x equals 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3, we can write it 2 to the power 2 division 3 whole to the power 3. So the base here is 2 division 3, here also 2 division 3. So these two power minus x and 3 shall be equal. So we can write minus x equals 3. Therefore, x will be minus 3. So solution of this exponential equation is x equals minus 3.